Welcome to Exemplary Marketing YouTube channel. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use images to improve mobile app UX. As the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Images can be a powerful way to capture user attention and differentiate your product. They are more than decoration and have the power to make a break or user experience. The following principles are the best practice that you can successfully incorporate images and bring your apps to life. Principles. Compelling images have a unique ability to inspire and engage your audience, but not all images provide the experience. Some of them just take up the space or in worst case, confuse the user. Relevant images. One of the most dangerous elements in any design is imagery that conveys the wrong message. They causes confusion or leaves the user with a question about the app's reliability or trustworthiness. You should select elements or images that have a strong relationship with your app goals and ensure that they are context relevant. For example, images can convey specific information that makes comprehension easy and immediate. Takeaway. When designers use the right image, they improve the user's experience. The purpose of your app isn't to just showcase your images. Instead, the images you select should showcase the purpose of your application. Bring delight. Apps are built to perform a function and communicate to their users, but beyond this, apps should be engaging, exciting, and even fun to use. Adding delight to an app is a great way to make it not only more human, but also make it unique, because a good overall impression isn't about the usability, it's about the personality. Takeaway. If you're already having satisfied customer experience, adding delight to your app creates an emotional connections with users. Don't overdo it. Visual appeal is not only the requirement for a good user experience, app also need to deliver content and functionality to users. Adding too much focus on images in your design can be counterproductive because they might create a virtual overkill. Getting people's attention with attractive images certainly has value, but comes at the price of making other elements harder to see and use. You can see this effect in SoundCloud's main app screen where the images take all the attention and you barely notice two buttons. Takeaway. Most apps will do best with a balanced approach, images that support the product without obscuring, and a most important, content or functionality. Best practices. Formatting content. Create a layout that fits the screen of a device. User should see primarily content including images without zooming or scrolling horizontally. Use multiple mediums. Both illustration and photography can be used within the same app. Photography automatically implies a degree of specify that should be used to showcase specific entities and stories. Illustration is effective for representing concepts and metaphors where specific photography might be alienating. Takeaway. For specific entries, took first to photography representation, illustration conveys approximation of content to aid composition where total specify isn't available. Have a point of focus. Use images as visual communication tool and reinforce of your message. You should have an iconic point of focus in your imaginary. A clear focus communicates the concept at a glance. Opposite, a lack of focus makes the image meaningless. The most powerful iconic images consist of a few meaningful elements with minimal distractions. You can also use color in order to give image a clear focus. Takeaway. Avoid making the user hunt for meaning in the image. High resolution image. Make sure your images are approximately sized for displays and across platforms. Images should not appear pixelated so that appropriate resolution sizes for specific ratios and devices. For Apple devices, you can find appropriate images sizes here, and here it is very detailed guide by Google for Android. Takeaway. Provide high resolution versions of all image assets, no distortion. Display photos and graphics in their original aspect ratio and don't scale them to greater than 100%. You won't do the artwork or graphics in your app to look skewed or large. Let users choose what they want to zoom in images, not. Takeaway. Always display images at their intended aspect ratio to avoid distortion. Be careful with photographic stock. Usability tests show that purely decorative stock photos rarely add value to a site and application and more often harm the user experience. That's why for specific entries or branded content, you should use specify imaginary and be interpretive for more abstract content. In most cases, photographic stock and clip art is neither specific nor interpretive. Takeaway. Your images shouldn't be a visual noise. They should be related to the product and hold useful for the information. Learn the method of overlaying text on images. There are several methods to make typography legible on top of image. Perhaps the easiest method is to overlay the entire image. If the original image isn't dark enough, you can overlay the whole thing with translucent black. Here's an example of large image with a dark overlay. While this method works great in general, it can make the image look too dark. For large images, you should target specific areas for text protection instead of blanking the entire image and apply text protection in form of a scum is a piece of photo equipment that makes the light softer. Scums are lightweight, translucent, gradient, layered, dark, end of gradient. The gradient's opacity should be chosen based on environment. 2. Center point of gradient 3 times closer than the darker end. 3. Point of gradient opacity of 0. Conclusion. Thinking about images in terms of their usability may seem a bit odd, but I believe that these examples show how relevant and important it is. Images are a great way of communication to show users' experience in such a way that the users can feel the application, and that gives a specific sense of pride to own the application. A picture, a form of graphic, a screenshot, all visual communication in your design leaves a cumulative impression on the user. Using them to create an immersive story, a sense of context, and eventually humanize your app, so that the time to make sure that every part of your visual communication in your app is reinforcing user experience. Thank you. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also don't forget to comment down below and share this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.